Hi, this is Kylia from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful polymer clay earrings using temporary tattoos. So all you need is your polymer clay, and all the supplies are actually listed below. An embossing tool, the temporary tattoo, yes, it's the same one that you used as a child on yourself, a blade, a rolling pin, your cutters, and then also a nice ceramic tile. So first you're going to roll it all out. I already did that here with my machine actually, and then also do it by hand, and then take off the top film of your temporary tattoo, place it where you need it to on your polymer clay, and then use some paper towel with water to get it nice and wet so that it gets placed actually onto the polymer clay. And then just let it sit for a little bit until it's really all disconnected from that paper and on to, so then you can just see if it's moving. Yes, this is ready, so you can pull off the paper and then just dry it carefully. And now you just have to cut it out the way you'd like it. I'm using this nice oval drop for the main one. You have to be careful to get it right in the center here. And then how it is with earrings, you have to do another one. So it's nice and cut out. Turn it around to the other side and place it just the same. Of course, it's handmade, so it really shouldn't be perfectly the same. And then I got these round cutters for the little piece that I still have left. So I can make 2 pairs of earrings out of this one nice tattoo design. Take off the extra polymer clay and then bake it as per instructions. But first I want to add some holes. I like to add them before. That's why I got this embossing tool. It's really nice to wiggle around and get a nice hole for where you're going to hang your findings from. And then you bake it. And then once it's baked, add the findings. I also added a nice little varnish, and that's it.